So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to record shows on Spectrum Xumo, cloud DVR setup, recordings and playback. So how to record shows on Spectrum Xumo? Recording shows on Spectrum Xumo Streambox work differently than traditional cable DVR boxes. Instead of storing recording on a physical device, Spectrum uses cloud DVR, which save your recording online so you can watch them later from your TV or other devices. Make sure you have Spectrum Cloud DVR. To record shows on Xumo, you must have Cloud DVR enabled on your Spectrum TV account. Step to check. Open the Spectrum TV app on your Xumo Streambox, then navigate to Settings or Account. Look for Cloud DVR storage or recording option. If you do not see recording option, you may need to add the Cloud DVR service to your Spectrum TV plan through Spectrum. Typical features include recording live TV shows, saving multiple programs simultaneously, accessing recording from multiple devices. Record a show on Spectrum Xumo. Once Cloud DVR is active, you can start recording programs directly from the guide. Press the guide button on your Xumo remote, then browse channel and find the show you want to record. Select the program and choose record. Record a show on Spectrum Xumo. Options may include record episode, record only the selected episode. Record series, automatically record every new episode. Your recording will be stored in Spectrum Cloud DVR library. Manage your recording. You can view and manage recording anytime from the Spectrum TV app. Open the Spectrum TV app on the Xumo box, navigate to DVR or My Library. Select the recording you may want to watch. From this menu, you can play recording, delete recording, view scheduled recording and cancel upcoming recording. Watch recorded shows. Watching recorded content is simple. Open Spectrum TV app, go to My Library or DVR, select the recorded shows, then press play. Playback control include pause, fast forward and rewind. Resume from last watch position. Because recordings are stored in the cloud, you can also watch them or other devices using the Spectrum TV app. Tips for better DVR use. Here are a few helpful tips with recording on Spectrum Xumo. Ensure you have enough cloud DVR storage available. Use series recording to automatically capture new episode. Check your scheduled recording regularly to avoid conflict. Delete older recording to free up space. Thank you.